What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're fixing this 2018 DAF XF. You probably have seen this sneak peek of that truck already, and I was going to make this video from start to finish of repairing this truck, but for the last 3 weeks we've been struggling for parts and we hardly touched it. So I was going to split the video in half so you don't have to wait along for another video. So I'm going to take you from beginning, so let's do it. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be fixing this 2018 DAF XF. As you can see, it's been an accident in the front and the cab is destroyed. We actually cut this door open to get it open because it is jammed in there, but as you can tell, the floor inside and everything is all crunched, destroyed basically. And what we're going to do, we've got the new cab for it, so we're gonna put a new cab on this one, but as you can see, everything there is been crunched and even the top roof is damaged. We've got a brand new cab here for it in the two halves, which is the bottom half and the top bit. I'll show you quickly inside this side. As you can tell, the floor is well crumbled, and I'll show you the cab. Right, the cab is here, all painted now, just obviously no roof on it. We've got the roof separate in the other workshop, painted, so that's what we're going to do. We already made a start on it. Jason's been here yesterday and he's coming today, and we're going to take this cab off. Probably have to put it on this jig here, you know, to make it secure so we can strip it all inside, but guarantee some things on the dash, behind the dash and everything there is going to be, something's going to be damaged there, so we have to order whatever we're going to need. And obviously when we're going to take the cab off, we're going to check what's damaged on the chassis, because probably the rad maybe or something there, definitely the header tank there, because that's all loose. So, and as you can see, that cab is destroyed basically. And this lorry actually came here December before Christmas, and what we've got now, nearly end or 23rd of March now, and we've been waiting for the brand new cab about 3 months. We ordered that beginning of the year and it came here week ago. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take the cab off, start stripping inside, but obviously this roof is glued to the cab, and it's got like a, if I remember correctly, it's got like a frame on the top of that roof, on the steel on the cab, and obviously that frame have to go in first, then the roof, if I remember correctly. But we're going to strip it and see how bad it is and start stripping the bits over, and obviously just, well, we probably have to get this roof bonded on first, so let's do it. Right guys, the cab is off, sitting there nicely on the jig. It's pretty much ready for being stripped, but first what we're going to do, we're going to strip this chassis. We're going to take the rods out and inspect them all. Jason is already taking them out because that's what we need to do, inspect the radiators, if they're intercooler, if they're not damaged, anything there. So then obviously we'll probably have to order everything for the chassis so it's ready, because all the shockers are bent. This bracket, which I replaced in the previous video, the other side is bent, and so we go from there. Then as soon as we got the radiators out, we can strip the cab. So let's do it. Right guys, we all strip on this one. We took all the dash out and just to check if anything damaged there, so we have to replace a few bits on there, but as you can see the floor is well knackered and this cap is obviously beyond repair for us at the moment. We've got a new one, like I said, and we're going to start order some bits and we're going to start building the new one up. But before we start building the new one up, we have to take this frame out of this roof somehow, and that roof is bonded to this frame as well, so that's going to be a challenge for someone to take this off. But let's get some bits ordered and let's crack on with it. Right guys, we've got this roof cut off. Jason actually cut it off. I wasn't here for the last 2 days and I actually used this gas torch to unpeel it from this frame, which was a bit of a disaster, well not disaster, but very hard work. I was like warming up this frame with the gas torch and peeling bit by bit off. It's a very long process and hard work to do it, but it's all off. I think we're going to get some kind of bar from the sunroof, drop it from the top, and there's strap, forklift, and I think we have to take this off to get this frame out. So let's get a forklift there and let's take it off. Right guys, we've got a new roof here. Jason's here today. We're just swapping them cabs over, whatever we can, all the little bits and bobs from it. And we've got the frame bolted all up. Jason is finishing inside what we can, and basically the idea is just get this roof on, get it bonded. And basically what we're going to do, we're going to do it the same way we took it off. We're going to put a bar through the middle, through the sunroof, strap, forklift, put it on, put some maybe block of wood just to keep it off the roof. Then we'll have to glue it all the way around there. Put some glue on, because this roof is glued on, and there's them 3 little bolts in the front. That's what we're holding this roof on, and it's obviously glued to this frame on the top as well. So we've got to put it on, and we start, and we probably have to lay it down. We'll see how it sits, and we'll get some glue and bond it and start building more up. So let's do it. Right guys, the roof is on. Plenty of glue. How many glue do we use, Jason?
15.
15 tubes of black glue. Loads. And the good job I had this gun, because last thing I want to do is just have this handheld gun and squeeze it all down. So all the way nails, all the way. Oh, sorry, can't get through. All the way inside there is plenty of glue there. We probably overkilled it, but we don't want it to come off, do we, Jason?
No, we don't.
No, and with that frame in there, that's like a nearly inch gap there all the way around. So that's holding lots of glue there. That's why we use so many tubes. But we rather have more than not enough, Jason, is it?
Yep. This is safe.
This is safe, and we can't really touch that till it's dry, till maybe tomorrow. But we're gonna do the bottom end. Jason's got the carpet already in, and we might just try putting this dash on. Ideally, we want this shelf in first, do we?
Yeah.
This shelf first, because the heater box sits just above that, so it's gonna be a bit of a later on. But I think we can go away. So let's build up as what we can and tackle the roof and that locker. Well, the lights first. We have to get them glued in first. Okay, so let's do it. Right guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Please do let me know in the comments if you like the video. And the part 2 of that truck, repairing this truck, is going to be obviously build the inside up and build the chassis up, put the cab on. So thank you guys for watching. See you next one.